Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove protected view notification on your Microsoft Office products. So generally speaking, this would not be advised unless you have a good reason to do that. So if you're downloading a lot of stuff from the internet, you probably want to go ahead and keep that enabled. However, if you are looking to disable this feature, and Microsoft does provide a way to turn it off, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all you have to do is open up your Office product that you're looking to change the settings for. So we're going to open up Microsoft Word for this tutorial here. And then you want to select on the left panel here, Options. Select Trust Center on the left side. And then on the right where it says Trust Center Settings, go ahead and click on this button. Select Protected View. And then you want to uncheck all of these options underneath Protected View. Select OK to save that change. Select OK again. And that's about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.